Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A.MaRee, and today I am starting the week off with the Disney looks. I decided to do this with all of the Disney eyeshadow palettes and products that I have picked up from Walgreens a few years ago, and I never touched them. So I wanted to go ahead and test them out and use them, see if I like the products or not, and why not give you guys a video with those products. As we know, with the Disney week, we're using Disney collective items. So today we started off with the famous Cinderella, and she didn't have a eyeshadow palette when I picked up those products, but we did have lip glosses, eyeliners, and a highlighter. So I did use those products with this look I created today. I hope this is making sense because this is just a new little series that popped up in my head, and it won't be a long series because I don't have like a whole bunch of Disney products, but I did enjoy using some of these products, and this Disney series will go every single day until it's done. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. Let me know by giving me a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, clicking the notification bell, become a part of the D4L gang, and share with your friends. I think this is something fun, and you guys be the judge. Let me know, next series, would you like for me to do a look with all Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes for a few days in a row type of thing? You get what I mean? Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys are enjoying. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I will have everything linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any of these Disney products in your collection and let me know your thoughts on it. But until next time, I would like for you to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell and become a part of the D4L gang. Share with your friends if you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow.